Hi everyone, good evening, good evening. Ako nga pala si Drew Papa. And alam ko lahat kayo excited na kay Miss Jaya. As I called you, I got a feeling down deep in my soul and I just can't move. Yes, I'm on my way. Oh, needed a friend.
By My Side, and it's an original song. The stars and neon lights.
Don't know what to say. My heart's floating in tears. When you pass by, I could fly. Every minute, every second of the day, I dream of you in a most special way. You're beside me all the time, all the time.
Gusto yung tumayo? Come on! Sayo ulit ang family dyan.
Minsan, sabi niya sa akin sandali na lang. Akala ko naman ay sinura.
Are you ready? Jaya is so ready and so excited to see you. Kaya naman clap lang tayo to the beat. After Jaya, let's do this. And wala na bang stop. Okay, pinaktis ko lang ngayon. Ayan. Kasi ang saya ng ating. Hindi kasi pwedeng ma-preempt. So, wala na bang stop. Are you ready? Let's give it a warm soul survey!
Celebration to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We're really gonna celebrate a party with you. Come on. Celebration. We're gonna celebrate and have a good time. Celebration. We're gonna celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? Everyone around. September. Lovers chasing the lights, pretenders, while chasing the clouds away. Our hearts were ringing in the key that our souls were singing as we danced in the night. Remember how the stars stole the night away. All together. Thank you so much.
Hindi pa pala.
Tinapos.
Hindi pa pala tayo. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Yehey!
Yes.
I love you too. Teka, ayusin natin itong tunog para magkarinigan tayo. Hihingi po ako ng mic namin sa monitor.
Yes.
Oo, para hindi kami nagtutunog galing tayo sa ilalim ng baong. Di ba pag Queen of Soul, di ba?
Aha.
Reyna ng mga kaluluwa.
Oo. Actually, mga
Punta na nga doon, no?
mga soul survivors to sila ng COVID. Those soul survivors.
Palala.
Nangangabuhay.
Hindi kasi, feeling ako magpapahype. Ladies and gentlemen, are y'all ready to hear some more music? Yeah! Let me hear you say yeah!
Ladies and gentlemen, our standing ovation diva, Gio!
Oh. Sabay-sabay, everybody, come on! Ang hindi mapalakpak, mawawalan ng bahay. Come on! If you know the song, please shout out.
She got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to her one more time. She got a body like a
Love like completion, mahilig ka mo election na pinawala aking attention.
See anybody could be back to you. You need a back, gotta make your boy, 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 boy. Boy, come here, let me take you back. Boy, come here, till you hear go.
Bang, bang,
Oh, you're so hot, I know you like it.
bang, bang.
You don't want hot, I let you have it. Boy, come here.
Punong-puno tayo tonight! Maraming unang-una sa lahat, maraming salamat for having me here once again in Dubai. And thank you so much for here. I'm just trying to catch my breath mo nang chichika ako. Oo. Okay lang po ba kayo? Oo, buti pa kayo. Oo, sino yun? Wala akong utang sa Dubai, ha? Ay, si Rudy. Okay, I'm gonna sing another song. We're gonna mellow down for a bit. Walay din kayo. Damay-damay na. Sorry.
Kailangan mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Ikaw magkagawang lumayo. through it playing by the rules.
No, gawa po ito ni Bench De La Rosa. Palapakin po si Bench. Follow niyo po sa Instagram, Calivo_couture. Maraming salamat, Bench. At
Baby, baby, it's you. Come on, baby, it's you. Come on, baby, it's you. When I let you make everything stops.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
come on, sabay-sabay! Yes! Yes! Yan! Alam niyo ba, ang UAE number 2 sa paboritong fast food. Come on, everybody! Langhap sarap, langhap sarap, langhap sarap kay Jollibee, langhap sarap. Saling lang.
Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here.
Can't you see the glow on the window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time
I know I need, now it's like the sea. Come on, baby, it's you. You don't want no desert. You don't want like an honest stars. When I get you, make everything stop. Finally, malak mo top. Nagustuhan niyo ba yan?
ng pera. Nagustuhan niyo yun?
Iwan mo!
O sige, inom ako ng tubig, ha? Teka lang. Unleaded ba to? Ay, ang daming babae, no? Kaya may amoy. Kasi po yung pagkakaalam, every Sunday po, dinadasal ko po na hindi lang sa Amerika ako magpe-perform. Kalahin mong mabot ako ng Dubai. Diba? At saka tour. Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Ras Al Khaimah. So I'm so blessed. Maraming salamat. Okay, so here's my last song before I call our next artist. Play DJ. Palakpakan naman. This is for the late Whitney Houston.
Kanina nakasulat.
If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I'll go, but I know I'll think of you in every step of the way. And I will always love you. I will always love.
Proud pa rin ako sa inyo.
I know that when you look at me, there's so much that you just don't see. But if
You'd only take the time, 'cause I know in my heart that you can't find. Oh, girl, let's get sometimes your way's wrong. Can't you see that, honey, I feel so all alone. I wanna run to you.
Sounds better.
I wanna run to you. Nag-improve ka? To hold me in your arms and keep me safe from harm. I wanna run to you. But if I come to you, tell me, will you stay or will you run I need you here. I need you here to wipe away my tears, to kiss away my fears. Now, after all, I'm so around to you. I wanna run to you. Will you stay or will you? Share my life, take me forward, I am. 'Cause I would never change all my colors for you. You gotta take my love. I never ask for too much, just so that you are in everything that you do. 'Cause I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you don't follow. I won't hold me back again. There's passion inside. I can't run for myself. There's nowhere to hide. Your love I remember forever. But don't make me come last one more time. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms in your time. Must I imagine you there? Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me collapse one more time.
Okay mga kamay?
Love thee.
Maraming salamat po, and please, ladies, please welcome the one and the only and the one, the everybody's favorite, her sister's favorite, his sister pala. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the only one, the number one. Again, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome the one and the only. Ladies and gentlemen, charing lang. The foreign chair turner of the Voice Philippines. Give it a four, Robert Bernardes.
Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need walang masisilungan, walang malalapitan. Sana may luha pa ako mailuluha at ang mabawasan ang aking kalungkutan. Ang halik mo na binis ko, ang halik mo
Mamimiss ko.
bakit iniwan mo ako? Ayoko sana na ikaw ay mawawala, mawawasak lang ang aking mundo. Ngunit anong magagawa kung talagang ayaw mo na? Sino ba naman ako para pigilan ka? Lumayo naman ay maiiwan ng wakas pamahal. Ang awiting ito ay alaala na hindi kita malilimutan pagkat ikaw ang tanging laman ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay. Sabay-sabay! Ang halik, let's go! Nakinig, Sister Apple, ang halik mo.
Namiss ko, bakit iniwan mo ako?
Ito po yung in-audition ko sa The Voice. Totoo sa aking paningin, ngunit nang ika'y akapin, naglalaho sa piling. Ikaw ay aking minahal.
Grabe naman po si Popper. Excuse me po. Nakikitaan lang po. Amazing vocals. Popper, grabe idol na kita. Wala na, tapos na. I love you.
Ikaw ang pag-asang tanglaw sa dilim. Napapawing hirap at bighati. Langit ang buhay sa tuwing ika'y hahagkan. Anong ligaya sa tuwing ika'y mamasdan sa piling mo ang gabi. Tila araw, ikaw ang pangarap. Ikaw lamang. Ikaw ang ibig sa araw at gabi. Ikaw ang pag-asa sa dilim. Napapawing hirap at bighati. Langit ang buhay sa tuwing ika'y hahagkan. Anong ligaya sa tuwing ika'y mamasdan sa piling mo ang gabi. Tila araw, ikaw ang pangarap. Ikaw lamang. Anong ligaya sa piling mo ang gabi. Ikaw ang pangarap. Ikaw lamang. Ikaw lang ang mamahalin.
Teka lang, uy! Ganyan! Maraming salamat! Ito yung design ni Ryan Pasioles. My God! Okay. Before I do anything, good evening po sa inyong lahat. Maayong gabi kaninyong tanan. I never want to lose their inspiration. Time for I know that it's time for a cool change. Now that my life is so rearranged, I know that it's time for a cool change. I would like to sing this beautiful song again, kumare! Gio na bukas! Bakit ganun, G? Bakit? Basta Regine, ikaw ang lumalabas.
Ewan ko ba?
Ang ganda mo, ga.
Sorry.
Sorry ha. Ilang change na to? Tatlo na to ah.
Tatlo ba? Meron ako 4 sa baba. Brought to you by Bench De La Rosa. Maraming salamat po. Calivo Couture.
Kanya-kanya tayong design.
Yes.
Eh, yung kay ano?
Bench din.
Ay, kakaiba.
Pero itong sapatos ko si Liz.
Ano yun?
Liz 50%.
Buang din siya, oy. Tara, kanta na tayo. Uy, teka lang, bago tayo kumanta. Meron pa po kaming show sa Abu Dhabi at saka sa Ras Al Khaimah. So sana po, i-chismis nyo na ang mga kaganapan kami.
Opo.
Diba?
Para naman po mas dumami pa tayo.
Ano yun, mga bakla? Ay, ano ba?
Pwede
Uy,
naman.
Hindi ka bakla ah.
Hindi ba ako bakla?
Hindi.
Hindi talaga ako bakla. Alam mo kung ano ako?
Ano ka?
Bakla! Sorry.
But let's sing this beautiful song. Ikaw lang makakagawa nito.
Oh my God.
Ikaw lang.
Aww.
Mga kaibigan, para po sa inyong lahat.
Thank you po.
Ang ganda naman.
It's such an honor. Your honor.
You may sing along with us.
Yes.
Nais ko mabuhay sa haba ng panahon. Kung ito'y lilipas na ika'y kapiling.